Over the last 2 years, I've read over 40 books on money, wealth, and investing. From classics like The Richest Man in Babylon, to modern guides like I Will Teach You to Be Rich. What I discovered is that building wealth isn't about secret formulas or luck. It's about timeless habits and mindsets. In this video, I'll save you the time and distill those 40 books into the 7 most important lessons for financial success. Think of this as your ultimate personal finance roadmap. My goal to give you clear, actionable steps you can start today to transform your financial future. If you're overwhelmed by conflicting advice or just starting out, this is for you. Grab a notebook. Let's dive into the 7 lessons that will make you rich. What's the single most powerful concept highlighted in virtually every book about wealth creation? What's the underlying principle that separates those who achieve financial independence from those who struggle? It's compound interest, the magic behind building wealth. It's often described as the snowball effect. Your money earns money, and that's just the beginning. And then those earnings, in turn, earn even more, creating a powerful cycle of growth. It's a self-perpetuating engine of wealth. The real secret to unlocking this potential isn't necessarily how much you start with, but rather, how early you start harnessing the power of time. Time is your greatest ally in the world of investing. Let's take a look at a simple comparison to illustrate this point. Imagine Sarah, who begins investing $200/month at the age of 25. Now consider Tom, who waits until he's 35 and then invests $400/month, doubling Sarah's monthly contribution. The surprising outcome? By retirement, Sarah ends up with significantly more money, even though she invested less money overall throughout her lifetime. That's the undeniable magic of compounding. The rate of growth accelerates exponentially over time, especially over the long term. So what's the key takeaway here? The lesson? The absolute best time to start investing was yesterday, without a doubt. But the second best time, and the one you have complete control over, is right now. Don't fall into the trap of waiting for a bigger paycheck, or for that elusive, perfect moment that never seems to arrive. Even a modest investment of $50 a month can make a significant difference. The most important thing is simply starting the process. Take the first step by opening an investment account, a 401k through your employer, a Roth IRA for tax advantage growth, or even a simple brokerage account to get started. Then, automate your contributions, setting up recurring transfers, no matter how small those initial contributions may seem. Don't let the insidious force of procrastination rob your future self of the financial security you deserve. Remember, every single day you delay investing, you are effectively shortening your money's runway, limiting its potential to grow and compound over time. The potential regret of starting late and missing out on years of compounding is far worse than the relatively small sacrifice of starting your investment journey right now. It's time to shift your mindset. You simply can't afford not to invest in your future. Make the commitment to set up automatic, consistent contributions to your investment accounts. Your future self, enjoying the fruits of your wise decision, will undoubtedly thank you for this crucial step. Remember, compound interest is a powerful force of nature, so take advantage of it and leverage its potential to build wealth. Every mighty oak tree, a symbol of strength and longevity, starts its journey as a tiny acorn. So start your investment journey today. If compounding is the engine, the driving force behind wealth creation, living below your means is the fuel that powers it. It's the essential ingredient that allows the engine to run smoothly and efficiently. You simply can't invest what you don't have. It's a fundamental truth of personal finance. Most millionaires don't live flashy, extravagant lives. They often prioritize long-term financial security over short-term displays of wealth. Instead, they master the art of spending less than they earn, consistently and deliberately. The key to unlocking this principle is to create a significant gap between your income and your expenses, a buffer that allows you to save and invest. This gap determines your savings rate, the percentage of your income that you set aside. This savings rate is arguably the most important metric you have direct control over when it comes to building wealth. Lifestyle inflation is the enemy. It's the silent wealth killer that erodes your savings potential. As your income rises, resist the urge to let your spending rise proportionally with it. Maintain discipline and keep your expenses in check. Start by tracking your spending diligently for at least a month. Gain a clear picture of where your money is actually going. You can use a budgeting app, a detailed spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. You'll likely be surprised and perhaps even shocked to discover where your money is truly going each month. Then, make intentional, conscious choices about your spending habits. Cut ruthlessly on the things you don't genuinely value or that don't bring you lasting joy, and instead spend generously on the things that truly matter to you. This is the essence of conscious spending, being mindful and deliberate about where your money goes. Identify and plug those financial leaks, those unnecessary expenses, to widen your savings gap and free up more money for your future. The resulting surplus is your power. It's the key to unlocking financial freedom. It fuels your investments, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Living below your means ultimately gives you freedom. Freedom from financial stress and worry. It provides options, allowing you to pursue your passions and dreams without being constrained by financial limitations. And it creates a crucial buffer for unexpected emergencies, providing a safety net when life throws you curveballs. Remember, it's not about deprivation or sacrificing all the things you enjoy, but about consciously prioritizing your future financial well-being and long-term goals. Most importantly, understand that living below your means is the fundamental foundation for every other wealth-building strategy you'll ever employ. Without it, you're simply spinning your wheels, working hard but making little to no real progress towards your financial goals. Track your spending meticulously, cut unnecessary expenses ruthlessly, and then redirect that money to what truly matters to you. Build your savings rate consistently, make it a priority in your financial life, because this is your wealth accelerator, the key to unlocking rapid financial growth. Remember, you are in control of this lever. You have the power to adjust your spending and savings habits. So, make it work for you. Take charge of your finances and make conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. That's how you build lasting wealth, the kind of wealth that provides true security and freedom. You've started early and created a surplus. That's fantastic. Now invest consistently, make it a habit, a rhythm in your financial life. The winning strategy? What's the secret sauce to long-term investment success? Dollar cost averaging. It's a powerful tool. Invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly. No matter what the market's doing, up, down, or sideways, stick to your schedule. This removes emotion from the equation. No more buying high from greed or selling low from fear. It's about disciplined, rational investing. Consistent investing means you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when they're high. Over time, this smooths out market volatility, reducing the impact of short-term fluctuations, and lowers your average cost per share. Don't try to time the market. It's a fool's errand. Just stay in it for the long haul. John Bogle, founder of Vanguard, championed this approach. Buy the whole haystack with low-cost index funds, diversifying your risk across the entire market. Bet on the long-term growth of the economy, not a single stock. Individual stocks can be volatile and unpredictable. Market crashes and bubbles will happen. They are an inevitable part of the economic cycle. Volatility is the price of admission for long-term returns. Embrace it. Your job, stick to your plan, keep investing, especially when it feels tough. That's when discipline truly matters. When the market drops, see it as a sale, a chance to buy more at a lower price. Wealth comes from time in the market, not timing the market. Automate your investments and ignore the noise. Tune out the constant stream of financial news and opinions. Don't check your portfolio daily. It will only lead to anxiety and impulsive decisions, or chase headlines. Consistency, not excitement, builds wealth. It might seem boring, but it's incredibly effective. Set it, forget it, and let compounding do the work. Let your investments grow over time, reinvesting the earnings. This is the most reliable path to financial freedom. It's simple, but it takes discipline. Stay the course. Your future self will thank you. Relying on a single paycheck is risky in today's world. If that income stops, your finances can collapse. True security comes from multiple income streams. Your job is your foundation, but aim to build more. Start with a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, selling online. Monetize your skills or spare time. Side hustles bring extra cash and can grow into full businesses. Next, build investment income. Dividends, capital gains, or rental income. This is passive income, your money working for you. Consider business or royalty income. Write a book, create a course, build a website. Do the work once and let the asset generate income over time. Start small. Don't try to build everything at once. Use extra income to invest or fund new ventures, not inflate your lifestyle. Each stream feeds the others, creating a robust financial engine. Diversifying income makes you resilient and accelerates wealth. Shift from consumer to owner. Own your financial future. Pick one new stream and start today. Build, reinvest, and watch your security grow. That's the path to true wealth. In a fast-changing world, lifelong learning is your best investment. Your financial education can't stop at school, it must be ongoing. You don't need a finance degree, just a habit of continuous learning. Dedicate time each week to improving your financial literacy. Read, listen to podcasts, watch videos, or take online courses. Move from passive participant to CEO of your money. When you don't understand something, get curious. Don't avoid it. Knowledge protects you from scams and bad advice. The more you know, the better decisions you make. Financial literacy multiplies your efforts. Two people with the same income, but the more informed one wins. Make learning a non-negotiable routine. Start with basics. Inflation, asset allocation, risk. As you grow, explore more complex topics. Your brain is your greatest asset. Invest in it. The returns will show up in every area of your financial life. Schedule learning like you would a workout. The smarter you get, the wealthier you become. Not all debt is equal. Some can help you build wealth, but bad debt destroys it. Bad debt is high interest, used for things that lose value, like credit cards or car loans. It's reverse compounding. You pay more and more, digging a deeper hole. Paying off high-interest debt is the best guaranteed return you'll ever get. Make debt repayment your top priority, even before aggressive investing. Two main strategies: the avalanche, pay highest interest first, or the snowball, pay smallest balance first for motivation. Pick one and attack your debt relentlessly. Cut up cards, reduce spending, and funnel every extra dollar to pay it off. Getting out of bad debt is like taking off a weighted vest. It frees up your income to invest and build wealth. Don't let interest payments steal your future. Once you're debt-free, redirect that cash flow to investments. This is your launchpad to financial freedom. Destroy bad debt, then build your future. Make a plan, stick to it, and celebrate every win. Your income is your most powerful tool. Don't let debt hold it hostage. The most profound lesson? Wealth is a byproduct of creating value for others. Money is society's thank you note for solving problems. Your salary reflects the value you provide. Business revenue reflects value to customers. Wealth flows to those who create solutions. Don't ask, how can I make more money? Ask, how can I create more value? Shift from scarcity to abundance. Focus on making a bigger pie, not just your slice. In your job, solve bigger problems and build valuable skills. In side hustles or business, focus on helping people, not chasing trends. The bigger the problem you solve, the greater your wealth potential. Even investing is about owning companies that create value. Align your goals with contribution and improvement. The market rewards value creators. Make value creation your North Star. Money will follow. That's the ultimate secret to lasting wealth. We've covered the 7 timeless principles of wealth. Don't try to do everything at once. Just start. Pick one lesson that resonated with you and take action today. Open that investment account, track your spending, or make a debt plan. Just do one thing. Action builds momentum. Share your commitment in the comments. It makes it real and inspires others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives on building a wealthier, more intentional life. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.